Alrighty, guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box. We're going to do a box of 13-14 Upper Deck artifacts and last night on eBay. That's March the 20th between the times of 9:45 and 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Last time it was Winnipeg Jets in at 10:14 and 2 seconds. That was the last box I think I ran last night. Current eBay time is Friday, March 21st, 6:52 a.m. We'll do the break right now, upload to YouTube, and circulate links as soon as possible. Serial number of this one is NE200147095. Just remember the 095. 095. It's gonna be kind of on its side here. I can do it upside down. But let's see what takes best. There you go. 200147095. Should be able to make that out no problem. There's of course a sealed box of artifacts. Just gonna let the focus kick back in on this bright and early Friday morning. I want to thank everyone for taking part in this break. Wish you guys good luck in this as well as all your future breaks. Let's get going. I can open it. Good luck, guys. Oh, we have our patch right off the hop. Good luck, guys. 1, 2 for the Calgary Flames out of 24. Jersey and patch horizontal. 17 out of 24. Michael Camilleri. Not too shabby. Oh, we have redemption. Let me put that down. We'll just finish off the base here. I'll show that to you if we can even read it. Oh, they actually get new printer ink on this one. That's good. Haven't looked at it yet. Oh, wow. Artifacts Rookies Black Auto numbered to 5. Tarasenko for the Blues. So this will be out of 5. What a huge hit. That's going to be solid for whoever has the Blues. It's a really solid hit. Congratulations. Should be tagged. We have a Craig Anderson out of 9.99 for the Ottawa Senators. 2 nice hits right off the hop. Just wait for the rest of the box here. Artifacts Rookie Redemption, red 205 for the Carolina Hurricanes. Frozen Artifacts, Oliver Ekman-Larsson for the Phoenix Coyotes. Tundra Tandems for the Vancouver Canucks, Luongo and Schneider. Alex Galchenyuk rookie, not too bad, for the Montreal Canadiens. Of 9.99. Of 9.99, Wayne Gretzky for Team Canada. Goes to the Edmonton Oilers, as it goes to the team he played the most number of games with. We have Johan Larsson rookie for the Minnesota Wild. Johan Larsson. Oh, sorry, for the Buffalo Sabres. My mistake. I forgot he was traded. Buffalo. See the Sabres logo there? My mistake. I forgot there's a couple trick players in the early sets for the year. He's one of them. We have a gold Patrick Hornquist for the Nashville Predators. About 25. Good box. I want to thank everyone for taking part in this break. I want to wish you guys good luck in all your future breaks. Again, remind you guys, tonight, TGIF, 9-box break, the Cup, 3 Dominions, and a bunch of other goodies. I'll be live at 7 o'clock. Breakers.tv/RYDLAR99. You can buy your spots in advance at RYDLAR99.com. Have a good one, everybody. Check on the open breaks tab for that one.